In this video, I will show you how to add code that will translate text from one language to another. You can see that right now, if I were to click the green flag, the character will say, with a speech bubble, hello and welcome, and you will also hear the character say, hello and welcome. Let's run that.
Hello and welcome.
We now need to add additional blocks so that we can translate this to another language. On the bottom left, select Add Extension. You will see a number of extensions to choose from. We will select the Translate extension. You can see that these new blocks have been added. Because we want to say something in English and then again in French for this particular program, I'm just going to duplicate the two blocks that we already have. So I'm going to right-click on the Say block, select Duplicate, and then place these blocks at the bottom. We are ready to add our Translate blocks. Under Translate, select the Translate block and replace the second Say block. You can copy and paste what you have above, hello and welcome, or whatever your text is, into the first text field there. We are going to translate it to French. So in the pull-down menu, select French. We now need to insert that same block into the Speak block. I will duplicate it again to save some time. So right-click on the Translate block, duplicate, and place it in the text field.
Welcome. Bonjour et bienvenue.
You can place it in the Speak text field, as we just did, and you can hear that the program ran. So let's try it again just to make sure it's working properly. Click the green flag.
Hello and welcome. Bonjour et bienvenue.
So you might notice that the accent is a little off when it speaks French, so we're going to adjust the languages. Under Text to Speech, we will set the language at the beginning to English so that it has an English accent, and we will then select the same block, Set Language To, and place it beneath the first Speak block. We will change the language to French. So let's test that out.
Hello and welcome. Bonjour et bienvenue.
So you might want to experiment with different phrases, and keep in mind the translation will not always be perfect, but it's still pretty neat.